Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to be on a little morning ride. I'm going to talk a little bit about what I think about the R9. So to get started, the R9, they've got rid of the R1, which I'm not too happy about. Because the dream was to always one day, go buy a brand new R1. But I don't think that's going to be happening anymore, because they've got rid of it. And they've only got it in other countries. I think they've got it in North America. That's the only one I know of. So as usual, the US gets the good stuff. I don't know if they've got the R9 as well or not. My visor's fogging up as well, because I've got my clear visor on and I ain't got a pin lock. I think I've used this visor like 3 times now. But yeah, tomorrow I think is the official release date, the 9th of October for the R9. And it's going to have, I think it's going to have the same specs as the MT-09. So it's probably just going to be an MT-09 with a sport bike fairing kit on it. So kind of like the R7 and the MT-07. It's going to be a triple cylinder, same as the MT-09. Same torque. I can't remember the exact torque. But yeah. I'm interested to see what it's going to look like though, because apparently it's going to have like a standard version and then an SP model that's going to have, well, it potentially could have the winglets on it, which I like the winglets. I like the H2 and other bikes. Yeah, I think it could look cool, man. It's crazy how much difference a pin lock makes. Having no pin lock, my visor just fogs up so easily. Is he going to move over to the side? Please. My exhaust is quite loud, so I get kind of annoyed or my visor's just fogging up so easily. I apologise for the wind noise, if there is any. I'll have to keep cracking it open slightly, otherwise I can't see shit. I hope to give the R9 a nice distinct look, so you can tell that it's an R9. Because like at the minute, you don't really know what bike's coming at you until it's gone past you. Like, this can look like an R7. There's not really much difference apart from the sticker on the side and the noise of it, you know. So I just hope to give it that bit of to show that it's an R9. Fun fact, I've only ever rode Yamaha bikes other than a pit bike. So I used to have a little 110 pit bike, and then I got a YZ85. And then I went from a YZ85 to this Yamaha, and I've only ever rode my friend's YZFR 125 as well. So it'll be interesting to see what other bikes feel like. Turn your bright oh my god, can't see shit. He definitely had his high beams on then. That and a fogged up visor. That's not good. I've come prepared for the cold this time though. Got my layers on. I've got my thermals on underneath. Got my pyjamas on. And I've got my leathers on top. So it's just the hands now. Although my hands don't feel too bad. I think it's like 11 degrees or something. Some cars' headlights are ridiculous. The neon ones. They're deadly. It's fogging up already. Everything looks so nice at night. I'm not used to it. I say night, it's like 6 in the morning, but in the dark I'm on about. feel free to let me know in the comments what you think the 09's going to look like, or what you think to it after it's revealed. Like I said, it should be tomorrow that it gets revealed, so we'll see. Say a little bit about what I think. I know I haven't said much, but there's not really much to say until it's out. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, guys, please leave a like down below, comment down below your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one.